Today, I am going to draw a landscape in mixed media. With the help of acrylic color, I am painting the sky. Our sky is ready now. Now, I shall try to make a land with the help of collage medium. I usually use torn pieces of magazine paper and glue in my collages. Now I want to add two figures in my landscape. My landscape is almost ready now. I don't know whether you will like it or not. If you like it, then I request you to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.